Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're using the CR reader, the Launch. It's basically a Launch 431. I got it on Amazon for a couple $100. But anyways, so we're going to check and see if we're misfiring. So just scroll through here. This is a bi-directional scanning tool. Alright, so there we are. Live data. And we're not misfiring, so it was a spark plug. It was just loose, but we replaced it. So yeah, it's a go for me. You can make keys with this. It's a pretty good scan tool. There's the QR code and stuff, so you can order it. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I have some more stuff for y'all to check out.